From bystanders saving the day to victims seeking revenge,
You try to steal phone.
we look at when pickpockets are caught red-handed.
จะใกล้จุดที่น่าเดินที่สุด
A company that interviews mostly musicians and performers in the street were rolling their cameras when a man who realizes he was pickpocketed confronts the thief.
So I got some video of the guy if you want.
There's no police around here.
The man in white, allegedly the victim of the woman he is restraining. The man holds the woman and demands from the passerby that they call the police. Meanwhile, the woman tries to free herself from him and screams as if she's completely innocent.
The man does not want the woman to go unpunished and puts the woman on the ground so that he can hold her until the police arrive. A possible accomplice wants to interfere and free the woman, but she is prevented from doing so by passers-by who make it clear to her that the woman is a possible thief.
This young girl in a tracksuit was acting suspicious, and when the person recording confronts her, they make a wild discovery. The girl was concealing her hand, allegedly trying to rob the woman who she was boarding with. Two alleged pickpockets see an old man and what they perceive as an easy target. One goes in front of the gentleman and one is behind. But the old man is more perceptive than they realise. The man gets defensive, to which the alleged thieves start to antagonise the man. Luckily, the situation was caught on CCTV. A journalist investigating phone thieves and their tactics to steal items from under people's noses exposes the pickpockets. The journalist will then produce a taser which immediately scares them off.
He got scared. Sorry, my friend.
The journalist then confronts the thieves on camera face to face.
But for some reasons, I would not do it anymore. You try to steal phone.
British Transport Police officers were called to Waterloo London Underground station at 5:09 PM on August 5th, 2012, when a thief allegedly tried to steal from the public. A YouTuber who was filming his excursions in the city of Rome captures a group of pickpockets on camera.
After Germany.
Attenzione pickpocket! Attenzione borseggiatrici! Pickpocket! Pickpocket! Attenzione!
The YouTuber claimed in the description that before the camera was rolling, he noticed the girls trying to rob a different unsuspecting target before they targeted the YouTuber himself. Keep a close eye on this group of girls about to board this train in Rome. When they board the carriage, they appear to corner these passengers, and you can see on the camera that the thief's hand reached inside the victim's handbag. A cell phone thief is about to be served some karma.
please, my leg!
The Good Samaritan could see the thief was being chased down by police and stepped in to help out. A motorcyclist spotted a suspicious man riding a scooter, so he follows him to investigate further. The motorcyclist approaches the man and makes a very good point.
Why are you riding it with your helmet on?
The man on the bike then catches up to the alleged thief once again. The alleged thief is on the run once again. This bystander gives the motorcyclist good directions, but when he gets there, the motorcycle thief is already way in front. The trucker wasn't paying attention when a phone thief comes right up to the truck and steals a phone out of the window. But when the trucker does realise and spots the alleged thief later on, he crosses the street to where the motorcyclist was getting away and expertly dismantles the driver. A man was recording his journey on a motorcycle when he captures two moped thieves steal a woman's phone directly out of her hands. The thieves were caught and police released the following statement. A gang of moped thieves has been jailed for a string of phone snatch robberies in South London. Keep an eye on the woman in pink in this video. In a moment she'll become a thief and get more than she bargained for. The woman she tries to steal from was more vigilant than previously expected. The victim then stops the thief from getting away. Luckily for the thief, her co-conspirator pulls up to take her away from the scrap. The thief did manage to steal the phone after all, but not before losing a tooth in the process. A news reporter was live streaming on his phone when a thief steals his phone, but doesn't realise he's still live. In broad daylight, two thieves were cutting the chain of a bike they were going to steal. The male who stole the bike managed to get away, but the alleged accomplice was being approached by the public, and the situation escalates when one person takes a swing at the alleged thief. The vigilantes then trap the alleged thief in a phone box.
They're on it. Yeah, it's a blackmail in a...
The alleged thief gets out of the phone box and bystanders are hesitant to detain him again.
I'm not sure. He's got a load of clothes on. He's making off. Yeah, he's making off.
What? Hey, that was my bike. Where the heck did you take it? Yeah.
I don't have your bag. Doesn't look like I've got your bag.
The alleged thief then asks the man recording where his grinder is.
I know you know who got my grinder.
What?
You know who got my grinder, innit?
So you've nicked a bike and you're worried about who's got your grinder?
Listen. It's my grinder and them man used it. So I want my grinder. So where are the people that got it?
So how do I know where your fucking grinder is?
Yes, you do.
Do I?
Yes.
Alright. Oh, that's alright then.
Don't be following me.
Don't be following me. Who are you threatening? What are you gonna do? Huh? I'm not following you. I have no interest in following you.
But don't
Other
follow
people have
me.
got interest.
The camera then cuts to police detaining the alleged thief.
Yeah, I saw.
You're being detained for the purpose of a search under section 1 of
It's hot.
Alright, I'll stand you up in a second.
It's hot.
Police released the following statement after the incident. Having been interviewed in custody, the suspect arrested was bailed initially to allow further time to conduct inquiries. Being able to establish that the suspect we had in custody was not involved in the theft itself, although he was in the group that did commit the offence. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more and click the video on screen now for more videos. Goodbye.